Hi, if you ordered your machine with a Workstation or you're getting it after, here's how to install it. So when you go to install your Workstation on your gutter machine, we're going to ship you everything needed, nuts, bolts, all the parts and pieces you need to install it. The only thing you'll need is a couple of drill bits and some wrenches and some sockets. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to move the left side cover, and we're going to install a new cover, which we have a demo one here, but it's already cut out as a template, so you can use that for drilling. And this one here you can set aside and use at a later date. So the new one's going to install just like the cover you took off. The first thing I do really easy is I kind of stake the center point of each hole. That way it's easier to drill. And I normally use a small drill bit to get a pilot all the way through. And then I use a 13/16 drill bit as your final size of the hole you're drilling. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 2-inch tubing, and we're gonna drill all the way through it because we're gonna bolt in from the other side. So now we're going to switch from a basic pilot hole drill that you can pretty much use any size. And then our final is going to be a 13/16 drill bit, and that's what's going to fit the bolts. So now we're going to get set up with our bolts. Get them set up here so they're within reach. And then our back plates that are going to go on the back after we get the Workstation bracket up. So these two screws we're going to not put back in or remove them. So now we're going to go ahead and install the mounting bracket for the Workstation. And you got some, let me turn this around real quick, flip it over. So we got this slotted out, and you can see these brackets right here that go into there, and it holds it in place and helps you square it up and hold the Workstation in place. So with those brackets there, after you get it on there, it's fairly easy to keep it in place. And you want to check this and make sure it's sitting as level to this as you can get it. You're going to take this threaded backing plate, now we have the other bracket we're going to put on the inside. Bolt up right here. These two right here don't get a bracket on the back. So put that bolt there, this bolt here. So we're going to put the flat washer on it, lock washer, and a nut. That's pretty much the installation of the mounting bracket that goes onto the machine. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wheel this over and get it in kind of close to place, and we'll get a little bit of assembly going on here. Little pin here is going to go here. This bracket right here is going to set right here, and when we get it mounted, we're going to level this part to the machine, and we do have shims and spacers we can pull out to level if need be. So the first thing we're going to do is we've got this pocket right here that we're going to set this bushing in. Make sure it goes down all the way. Then you got this locking pin. Which is going to go right here. But I'm going to leave it up so we don't lock into one of these pockets while we're mounting it. So let me get our nuts, bolts, lock washers, and so forth. So we're going to have 2 bolts, 4 USS washers, 2 nuts, 2 lock washers. We're going to go ahead and turn this and get it right into our mounting place. Okay, and these bolts are gonna go right here through. 3/4 inch wrench for this. I use 2 of them to tighten it up. I don't use the impact for this. This does have a little bit of an adjustment on it, so you can tilt it from side to side. So we're gonna get it bolted up and see if we need to do any tilting to it. Now that mounted. Now we do have an ASE lock washer and the bolt, and it's gonna go right up underneath and bolt in right here. Workstation's pretty much mounted. We got a few more things to do to it. Tighten this down. And this is gonna be the pin to hold it in place, and you can, this is what's gonna let your tailgate move. The next thing we have is we've got an arm bar over here that's gonna come over here, and then we're gonna mount that next. Oh, by the way, when you buy the Workstation, you'll have to go to your local hardware dealer and get you a saw. This system does not come with any type brand saw at all. You have to pick your own. Now we're going to turn the machine around and go ahead and mount the stabilizing bar onto the switch side of the machine. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to mount this stabilizer plate for this stabilizer arm. It's going to place right here, and you're going to set it right on the weld, slide it all the way down, and that's where it's going to mount to. And then we're going to head and stake and drill our new holes. We're going to set this down here. We can go ahead and mark our holes. Okay, so those are the 2 holes we're going to drill. Drill straight through the tubing all the way to the other side, because that's where it's going to bolt to. Lined up and get it on the bottom there. And then we got to reach inside, get flat washers. They gave us lock washers and 2 nylocks. You can reach inside, just down through here. Okay, and that's the mounting of that bracket. So after you get your tailgate all set up, make sure your latch is working good. Nothing here. And then we're going to show you when it's open, you're going to unscrew here, the Workstation, and this is going to flip over and lock to the side so it really doesn't move back and forth much. Now we just put this together. There is an adjustment right here if you need to adjust it to square it up. But this comes down, this locks up here. Adjusting the arm here, you should, at proper adjustment, you should have the Workstation square, and it's pretty sturdy on the machine. Then when you're done working, you've done your job, you're gonna unbolt this so you can close the Workstation. So we're gonna bring it back over here. We're gonna put it back into place. Now we're gonna close it. So this swings around here. And we're gonna take this latch, lock it right here, push it down, and we're done. And that's how you install the new tech Workstation, and we'll see you next time on our next video.